Hey guys, first take a look at these videos. These are AI Dream Nostalgia videos, and they are going insanely viral right now. And check out this TikTok account. This creator is uploading videos like these and has already gained more than 235,000 followers, with millions of views on almost every video. So, if you also want to create videos like this, then in this video, I'm going to teach you the complete step-by-step process. So, let's get into the video. To make these videos, first open ChatGPT and click on the top left corner, then tap on Apps and search for Dream Nostalgia videos. Then open the first chat and type Start and hit Enter. Now you will get 10 different video ideas. Choose any one idea and press Enter. After that, you will get a detailed image prompt and a smooth motion video prompt. First, copy the image prompt. Now to generate the image, open Gemini and paste the copied image prompt. Then select the Create Image option and hit Enter. After a few seconds, you will get a realistic dream nostalgia style image. Click on the image and download it now. To convert this image into a video, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video motion prompt for video generation. I am using the YouTube Create app. You can easily find this app on the Play Store. Open the app and click on the Generate Video option. Now paste the video prompt here and also upload your downloaded image. Then click on Generate. After a short loading time, you will get a smooth, cinematic nostalgia video. Now click on the generated video below, and it will automatically be added to the editing timeline. To export the video, click on the Export option at the top and choose your preferred quality, and your video will be downloaded easily.